Looking at the chart, you can see that we've got a very clean setup, a very clean screen, and we only have two indicators that's running this complete system. This is two indicators on TradingView, and we're going to have a look at them now. You can see that we've got the first indicator is the X48 indicator, also known as Midnight Hunter version 1.6, and the second indicator that we've got is Kyle Algo version 1. Now if we look at the Midnight Hunter first of all, it's the Midnight Hunter that's given us the channels that we are looking to take entries on. And if I double click on one of the channels, you'll see the X48 indicator Midnight Hunter version 1.6 settings. Now you can pause this video and you can make a note of all of these settings, and I don't want you to change anything in these settings. If there are any updates, then I will release an updated video for all of the private clients who have got this system. So if you just pause this video if you need to get these settings. And you will find that the more that you actually turn on with this indicator, the more crowded your chart will become, and the more difficult it will be for you to actually follow the system. So this is how the first indicator is being set up, and what we are looking to do is we are looking to enter, as we all now know, with a sell if the setup bar actually crosses down through the top of the channel, and we are looking for a buy if the buy setup, as we can see down here, crosses the lower band of the channel, bearing in mind that the setup bar must be no longer or no larger than 10 pips, and there we have 9.6, 9.7 pips. So that is how the X48 indicator helps with the system. Now if we look at the indicator that's actually given us the buy and sell signals, and I just double click on that, you'll see that this is the Kyle Algo version 1, and there are just four very simple settings in here that I don't want you to touch. And as you can see here, I'm going to show you in a second how to actually set up these alerts. So if you just leave these settings as they are, 1.8, 10, 10, 3.5, and if they do need changing, as I say, I will update it in a future video. So that is basically the complete system, extremely easy to follow. Now to set your alerts, in fact let me just show you something. This is how I've actually got my system set up. I'm actually following 8 currency pairs at the same time, and I've also got another 2 screens next to me, which means I have the ability to actually follow 24 individual currency pairs all at the same time. So if we come back to one of the, pick up the chart where we just left off, I'm not sure if it's this one, but they're all the same as you can see. And let me show you how to set up the alerts. Just hover your mouse over the sell or the buy and right click, and then click add alert on Kyle Algo. And what you're going to do, because I've highlighted the sell, you're going to change that to sell. You're going to choose once per bar close, and then the alert will trigger every time the condition is met, but only when the bar closes. And you're going to give it a relevant alert name, in which case on this one it will be Euro GBP, and it would be a sell. And the message that would pop up, we obviously want it to be the same thing. And then you just click create, and then you're done. And to create a buy alert, I'm just going to right mouse, I'm going to add alert on Kyle, I'm going to leave it as buy, I'm going to go once per bar close, and I'm going to change this to Euro GBP buy, and I'm going to copy paste it in there, and I'm going to click create again. And here on the alerts over here you can see all of the alerts that I've currently got. These are the alerts that have been sparked off during the session. I can clear the log, and these are the active alerts which will trigger when we get a potential setup. Okay, so that is the setup video for the private clients who have the Basher system. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I know for a fact you're going to be extremely profitable with this system. You've got a winning trade here, you've got a winning trade here, you've got a winning trade there, and at 1 to 2 there you've got 6 points on just one currency pair out of a potential of over 24 to 28. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it.